How to make Control plus, toggle a comment in Visual Studio. How can I make Control plus, toggle a comment in Visual Studio, as it does with Xcode and Eclipse?
Toggle single line comment and toggle block comment commands have been added in Versus 2019 for C#. You can change the shortcut for these commands to whatever you want in Tools and GT, Options and GT, Environment and GT, Keyboard, search for edit.toggle block comment or edit.toggle any comment.
You can't make it toggle without going into either a macro or other Versus extension. However, I always set up Versus to comment with Control plus, and uncomment to Control plus Shift plus /. You can customize the keyboard shortcuts by going in the Tools menu and selecting Options. Then select Keyboard from the Environment branch. From there you combine the Edit.Common Selection and Edit.Uncommon Selection commands to whichever keyboard shortcuts you'd like.
Here is a plugin to have the almighty toggle comment command. 1. Download and install in GT, this URL. 2. Restart Versus. 3. Go to Tools and GT, Options. And GT, Environment and GT, Keyboard. 4. Search for the command toggle comment in AMP, bind it to your favorite key. 5. Enjoy. Thank you, I had gave up but finally found this easy way to do it, D.
If you have ReSharper installed, and using Versus without it as / was tedious, you can assign a single key to the command, resharper.resharper_linycomment. For instance, I bind the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl-K, Ctrl-C, to the command, and then if I use it on a line that is uncommented, it comments it, and if the line is commented, it will uncomment it.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.